In this example, we need to find all complex solutions of the quadratic equation of 3x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals 0. Now, when it says complex solutions, there will be times where we get negative numbers inside of the square root, for example, -9. So here is where we need to factor the negative, right? Square root of -1, square root of 9. We have this one is actually I, and square root of 9 is 3i. So when we are in case where there are square root of negative numbers, we need to talk about imaginary numbers. Okay. Now in this case, let us identify the terms. A, this is B, and C is 5. Okay, A is 3, B is -4, and C is 5. So we will be using the quadratic formula. X equals -b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. All of this divided by 2a. So x is equal to -b, -4, plus minus square root of b squared, -4 squared, minus 4 times ac. A is equal to 3 times c, which is 5. So we are left with all of this divided by 2a, 2 times a, which is 3. So x is equal to 4 plus minus -4 squared, 16, and then minus 4 times 3 is 12 times 5 is 60. And all of this divided by 6. 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 60. 16 minus 60 is -44. All of this divided by 6. Now, what's next? I'll continue over here. So it's 4 plus minus -44 can be written as, first, let's take out the negative. How? With an imaginary number. I square root of 44, correct? Because I have used the property -r is actually I square root of r. I have used this property. All of this divided by 6. Now, how can we make this smaller? How can we make 44? How can we simplify it more? 44 can be written, we factor it, and we need to find the square, right? 2, 22, 2, 11, 11. So it can be written, the 44 can be written as 2 squared times 11. So we can write, instead of 44, 4 plus minus I square root of 4 times 11, right? And divided by 6. So x is equal to 4 plus minus I square root of 4 square root of 11 divided by 6. 4 plus minus I square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 11, we leave it like that. And all of this divided by 6. Now, what are the two solutions? One with a positive sign, 4 plus, I will write 2i square root of 11 divided by 6. And the other one, 4 divided by 6 minus 2i square root of 11. Okay, can we simplify this even more? Of course we can. So 4 divided by 6 is 2/3 plus I square root of 11 thirds. And the other one is 2/3. 2/3 minus 1/3 of I times square root of 11. So let us write these solutions. I know it's a long process, but we need to do it. So the first one is going to be 2/3 plus fraction in another fraction, I square root of 11, and all of this divided by 3. The next one is pretty much the same thing. The only thing that will be changing is the negative sign, right? So here, I just need to change the sign. Oh, sorry. With a minus. And I'm done. And that's it.